Welcome to our essential online course, Infection Control, Hand-Washing Procedure in General Practice. Effective hand hygiene is the cornerstone of infection prevention. It's the simplest, yet most critical, action to protect patients and ourselves. This free online course is designed for healthcare professionals in general practice. It provides comprehensive, evidence-based training. Proper hand washing dramatically reduces the transmission of harmful microorganisms. This course delves into the why and how of effective hand hygiene. You'll learn about the science behind germ transmission and the critical role of hand washing. We cover the 5 moments for hand hygiene. You'll receive detailed, step-by-step instructions on the correct hand washing procedure. Gain confidence and competence immediately. Enhance your infection control knowledge, protect your patients, and contribute to a safer healthcare environment. This course is vital for every professional. Enroll today. It's free, flexible, and fundamental to patient safety. Get an instant certificate, perfect for accreditation and staff training.